Day 95. Let's talk product and prototyping. When you see a finished product on display, you may think the process was straightforward. Trust me, it's not. Building Zero felt more like a roller coaster. We knew what we wanted. Rear camera access, long battery life, wireless charging. That was enough to kick off our first 3D print. And here it is, the first prototype ever. One single body, optimized for strength. Looked great on paper, but assembling it, an absolute nightmare. We tried a full TPU version, but terrible in reality, except for bouncing off walls. We kept iterating till this version. The first version we showed to strangers. Their feedback, invaluable. That version went through 5 more iterations, each one smarter, lighter, tighter. The latest version, 10 times more refined. That's the thing about hardware. You don't get it right by guessing, you get it right by building, testing, failing, listening, and adapting.
Oh hi, we are 96 days before launching Zero. And today we're gonna speak about something important, planned obsolescence. As you may know, all power banks are made to fail at some point. And when that happens, you will throw it in the recycle bin, if you're cautious. That will probably not be recycled, because of how hard it is to dismantle it, and how cheap it is to make them seal, and save cost on screws, on reversible fastening solutions, and even if you're brave enough to take this bull by the horns, like I'm doing now, for demo purposes, there's 99% chances that you will find the cells soldered inside and can't be replaced. That means you can't fix it. That's why we made Zero obsolescence-proof. Repairable by anybody with no specific tooling or set of skills. Just pop open, pull the tab, remove the cells, shove in new cells, and let's go again.
We are 97 days away from launching on Kickstarter, and today I would like to answer a question we get a lot. Can we make Zero bigger? Well, technically, yes. But that would mean saying goodbye to your precious battery right at the airport security. We designed Zero to be flight friendly from day one, right under the 100-watt threshold. We travel the world with Zero. No issues, no stress. If you need more power, take multiple units and build the power station at arrival. And if your flight gets delayed by 6 hours, been there. You'll be glad to have one.